Guys out there, you're welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I just want to talk about John Lee Hooker intro of the song Boom Boom. So before we proceed to the class, I would like you to put on your subscribe button and do well to put on your notification bell so as for you not to miss any of our video updates. Come on, let's get to the tutorial. So in the first riff that was played, it was played on the key of E minor. So it was a double stop idea. So that's first slide. You slide. Then slide back. So slowly. Then the response. Just like a double stop idea too. First part together. Then kind of that idea being repeated. Then respond again. So the first one and the second one together now. Sorry. Then the last one. Then we have a very different approach. This time we are playing A minor. That same idea repeated in the beginning. So all together we have something like this. If you enjoyed this lesson, I would like you to click the subscribe button and put on your notification bell so as for you not to miss any of our video updates. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.